This video is about wildlife and animal trapping, control, and removal services for Cleveland and Akron, Ohio families. There are many varieties of nuisance animals in Northeast Ohio that love to spend time on your property and in your home, and that can spell trouble for you, your family, your pets, and your home. Cottom's wildlife removal traps, removes, controls, and relocates these unwanted critters. Raccoons nest in your attic or chimney, damaging your home structure, ripping up insulation, and spreading disease through their leave-behinds. Squirrels also build nests in attics. They gnaw electrical wiring and insulation, and they can carry ticks, fleas, and ringworm. Groundhogs love to dig, especially in gardens and under decks, eating your vegetables and causing damage to your home's foundation. They also carry ticks and diseases. As we all know, a skunk spray leaves a nasty odor that lasts for days, even weeks, as well as spread rabies and ringworm. When bats get into your attic, they can chew into walls, leave urine stains, and deposit guano, which carries a highly toxic fungus. They also carry rabies. Birds get into the attics and eaves of houses, building nests from wires and cables, which creates a real fire hazard. They also bring grasses and wood, with parasites and insects inside. If you see, hear, or suspect uninvited wildlife has gotten into your attic, chimney, or any other area of your home, give Cottom's Wildlife Removal a call and we'll help. We inspect areas where there may be problems, such as roofs, attics, garages, and chimneys. We remove nuisance wildlife with various handling tools. We trap animals with live traps and proven techniques. We repair structural damage caused by wildlife. We remove and decontaminate soiled areas, preventing the spread of disease. We replace attic insulation, drywall, and other damaged areas. Finally, we perform animal proofing and exclusion services to prevent nuisance animals from ever returning. We kick them out and we keep them out. Let us know if you have wildlife problems or concerns, and we'll be there, because Cottom cares. For the most trusted animal and wildlife control services, animal and wildlife removal, trapping, relocation, damage repair, and cleanup, call Cottom's Wildlife Removal at 440-236-8114 to schedule an inspection, get an animal removal estimate, or schedule animal removal service.